Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at Free Online, TradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host to the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, let's take a look at a trade that we had on the GrokStar Room this morning on good old Green Mountain Coffee, GMCR. And here it was just after opening. What you can't see here is it was falling. It was doing a bull pullback after it just had reached a high. It was right back up here to the $100 area. And that could be very strong resistance and support. So I said, if it does break that $100 area, let's go long. Had our order placed and ready to go. Let the market come to us. And boom, there we go. I'm in at $100.44. I'm long Green Mountain Coffee. And it continued to go up from there. Now it's caught up in these moving averages from the day before. But again, how much relevance if it gapped down that much? It's now filled the gap. And it's still continuing up, and then boom, it hits up here to big red, the 200 period moving average. This is a 1 minute chart, by the way, and now it's high basing right there at a major line of resistance. So my rules call for me to take out half at that point. So I did take out half at $103.66 for 3.2% on that first half. I actually made an error and took out a little more than half. I just mistyped on my half order. So here I am, I'm out half here, and it's starting to go boom, just above that. So we better pull this down a little bit and see where we go from here. And it pulls out, and it's going back up, and it's coming back. So now it's high basing here, just over that big red line. And I keep my stop here just underneath there, and it's starting to go back up again. So I pull it up above here, below the 8 EMA, but still above there, and bam, it dumped down here and got me out right here at $103.81 for 3.3% on that second half. A little bit less than second half. So let's take a look at this trade. We had a bull pullback here, which we can't totally see. And as it broke out for above the 100 mark, we got long, and then we took out half at the 200 period moving average, and then the other half stopped out after it dropped below the 20 moving average. So these are the kind of trades we're doing in the GrokStar Room, and you can join us 30 days for free. All you have to do is to go to Free Online, TradingEducation.com, our chat page, right here, go to chat, and then down below the chat room is a place for you to sign up for that 30-day free trial, and it doesn't even cost you, you don't even have to use your credit card. Not a bad deal. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Just remember that trading is not a game of certainty. It's a game of probabilities. If you want certainty, do not be a trader. You'll be one frustrated person. Trade well.